Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. I have partnered again with FabFitFun to show you guys what's inside the fall 2019 FabFitFun box. I love FabFitFun. You've probably seen lots of unboxing videos on my channel. I'm super excited for the fall box because fall is my favorite season. I really love it. I feel like it could be because my birthday is usually on the first day of fall or around it. Maybe that has something to do with it, but I just love fall in general. Most of you are already familiar with FabFitFun, but in case you're not, it is a seasonal subscription box company, so it comes 4 times a year and it has full-size beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products, and that's just one of the reasons why it's my favorite subscription box. Each of the boxes are $49.99, but they are valued at over $200 each. You get some amazing things inside. I use so much of my stuff that I get inside each of my FabFitFun boxes, and I have lots of friends who are subscribed to it as well, and they love it and are so excited to get it every season. It's also available in the UK now, as well as of course the US and Canada. So I will have a link to sign up for it if you want to in the description box below, as well as my discount code, which is BRIT10. I will have it on the screen right here. That will get you $10 off your first box. So definitely check it out. Highly recommend doing that and using the code, especially if you haven't done it before. So check that out. It will all be in the description box below. Like I said, I will be unboxing the fall 2019 FabFitFun box. So excited. It's actually really heavy, so let's go ahead and get started. Inside of the boxes, there is always going to be a little magazine. This is going to talk about the charities or the female-founded companies that they work with for every seasonal box. And it's also going to tell you about all of the products that are inside, how much they're worth, a little bit more about it, and how to use them. For this season, FabFitFun and Meghan Trainor both worked on picking the nonprofit, and it is City of Hope. They're dedicated to making a difference in the lives of people with cancer, diabetes, and other serious illnesses. They usually also include gift cards and vouchers for different companies. They have one for HelloFresh. There's so much stuff in here. It was actually pretty difficult for me to choose what I wanted to customize in the fall box because there are so many good things, but I'm super excited. So I'm gonna show you guys the first thing. This was actually one of the things that I customized because I really love soft scarves in the fall, and I loved the color of this one. It's the Plush Stay Warm and Stylish Ultra Soft Plaid Scarf. This retails for $75. I cannot wait to wear this in the fall. It's seriously one of my favorite things to put on as a cute fall accessory, and they're also really nice for obviously keeping you warm. And sometimes I bring big scarves like these into scary movies if I ever go see them, and they're like a blanket. All right. I love it. Next thing I got is a hair towel. This is from After Spa. It's a hands-free, lightweight drying towel. I was actually considering getting another one of these, so this is actually really good that this is in here. Ooh, and this one has one of the loops at the bottom and the button, so you can actually just hook it in the back. It also helps prevent your hair from getting frizzy if you do like to let it air dry. I like to let my hair dry as long as possible in a towel, so this is perfect. And this retails for $18. There's also a pair of earrings in here. I think this was one of the customizable ones that I picked, and it's from Bauble Bar. These are the Farrah ear crawlers, so they're the ones that go up the side of your ear, which is so nice if you want to look like you have a lot of piercings. I've always wanted to get a pair of ear crawlers as well, so I was really excited when this was one of the customizable ones. I really like how they look, and these ones retail for $34. Next thing in here is a hair product. This is from Aveda. Aveda is one of my favorite cruelty-free hair care brands. This is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Instant visible repair, protects from heat styling, and this is one of my favorite products that I've tried from them as well. I love the fresh kind of herbally scent to all of the Aveda products, and I get compliments on my hair a lot when I actually use them, so I'm really excited to see this in here. And this one retails for $30. I also have the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner, and this is certified cruelty-free. It has a little logo on the back, and there's no sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, or phthalates. Let's see what it smells like. Wow, that smells like a spa. Like if you got a facial at a spa, that's literally what it smells like. On the back, it says that this has natural extracts of truffle, calendula, rose, and rosemary. It has antiseptic powers to remove dead skin and bacteria and prevent future breakouts while boosting the skin with extra antioxidants. This sounds amazing. And this one also retails for $30. There's a lot in here too. The next thing in here, I believe I customized this. It is a Twine Livin Co. Gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board set, and I love cheese and I've always really wanted to have like a cute party with like cheese boards and stuff, and this just looked so perfect for it. It's made from acacia wood and it comes paired with 2 matching gold finished cheese knives, and it has the ceramic plate that is removable as well, so you can like pass it around or serve like other things on it. Ooh, that is so adorable. Oh, and this one retails for $30 as well. There's only 2 more things that I have left in the fall 2019 box. This one is from Harper and Ari. It's the Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. This retails for $16, and it says that it's great for using in the shower to exfoliate. I love sugar scrubs, and I'm gonna smell it. I have a feeling they're gonna smell really good. My god, they smell like gummy candy. My mouth is literally watering right now. Oh, and they kind of have like a squishy texture. They're like gummies. Don't eat it though. Those smell really good. I can only imagine how nice your skin would smell after using these in the shower or the bath, but these sound really amazing, and you get like quite a few of them in here too. Okay, the very last thing in this box we have is from Human and Kind. It's skincare with a conscience. It's the Body Souffle, and it is vegan and cruelty free, and it says that it's naturally derived with 97.2% natural ingredients. Let's test this out. Ooh, wow, that smells so nice, but it's not like overpowering. It's a really fruity scent. Here it says that it is a blend of apricot oil and shea butter, so there's the fruity smell. It feels really nice on my skin, and it doesn't feel like greasy or too thick. It feels like a really light, nice daily moisturizer. It's also ethically sourced and paraben free, which I do like to see that as well. And this retails for $18. And that is everything in the FabFitFun Fall 2019 box, and I seriously love everything. I think I'm mostly excited for my cheese board and these exfoliating sugar cubes because they smell so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fall 2019 FabFitFun unboxing. Let me know if you are also subscribed to the FabFitFun boxes, and if you're not, definitely check it out and use my code BRIT10 for $10 off your first box. I will have it all listed in the description box below. And if you are already subscribed, let me know what you're most excited about getting, if it's something that you customized in your box, or if it's one of these things that you're hoping to get, let me know in the comments below. Anyways, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!